Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this Beatbot that I just got. It's another pool robot or pool cleaning robot, and the shipping box is this, but what comes inside is what's really nice. It already comes with a quick starting guide setup with all the instructions back here, and then it is very nicely packed, user manual, and the hook to attach to your pole to be able to pull it out. It's nicely wrapped in there. Comes with a charging adapter and a nicely wrapped. Let's undo that. Here it is. It's really nice. I like the color, like the setup. These are the bristles that are going to be cleaning the pool and sucking in the leaves and any of the dirt that is laying there. So you open it over here, and it had a cardboard in here, so you want to make sure you get that out. And this is the filter. It's a nice size filter, and my pool has been pretty dirty lately, so we're gonna put it to work. I'm gonna show you. There's hopefully, if it's charged already, I'm gonna put it on right now and show you how it really works with the leaves and all of that. If it's not charged, I'm gonna show you how I charge it, and then we'll put it to work. It has an app. I'm gonna show you later on how it works. You can control a lot of different setups on the app as how you want it to clean. It also has a couple buttons here that you can select so that it either goes up the wall and cleans the walls too, or just does the pattern on the floor of the pool and just cleans that area. And all of that you can set up. Again, those two you can set up over here. You can set up other timers and other daily activities and all of that on the app. But right now I just want to make sure that this is charged so I can put it to work and show you how it works. So to turn it on, I'm going to turn it on, I'm going to select which one I want, and it is charged. Yes, there you go. See how it's green and it's charged, it's ready to go. I'm going to put it in the water, and then I'm going to show you how it works. There, picking up again the leaves. And see, there's a pattern already that it's been following. And here we're gonna come up the wall. There, picking up anything that is floating up here, just making sure that the wall's clean. So I took it out a little bit earlier just because I wanted to show you the filter inside and how many leaves and what you do and how you take it out and all of that. Now, this will last 5 hours in the pool if you fully charge it. So that's plenty of time. I've reviewed all the ones that only have 120 minutes. So, 2 hours. This has 5 hours. So this lasts a lot longer. Now, you just open it here. And again, this is the filter. And you would just dump it, rinse it with your hose, and then you put it back on. So after you rinse it, you put it back on and put it back in the pool. Now it has, again, different setups. I'm going to show right here what the app looks like, because you can put it so that it cleans at a certain times and different days. For example, it will clean for a little bit so it will clean a little bit during the day, or a specific day, and then it will go dormant for about a day, and then it will start cleaning again. So the green light means that it's fully charged, the yellow light that the battery is going low, and the orange light means that it's really low. There is a green fading light that is when it's charging, and if there's an error, there's a blinking orange light, and when it's downloading software, it's blinking blue light. So this is pretty nice, pretty good. I'm gonna show you how to plug it in to charge it, and then I'm gonna put it back in the pool. So right here, I just have a plug to my external power source, and then I'm gonna put it on the power cord right here. And all you have to do is make sure that the letters are the right way, and you just plug in there. And then see, start kind of fading green. Kind of, you can say maybe it's blinking green, but it's more like a fade, and that means that it's charging. Once you're done, you just pull it out and you're ready to go. I want to show you how just in about an hour the bottom of a pool, it's clean. Look at that. All the leaves, I have leaves floating, but all the leaves and even the green algae that was on the bottom, it's gone. Now the algae obviously is not being cleaned by the robot. It's just making it, detaching it from the grout so that it can be filtered by the pool filter. So at least it's doing that to get rid of it. Okay, no leaves in the bottom. Just a couple more there left, but that's about it. It will take care of it pretty soon. Something that I want to show, that the robot goes back to the surface and stays by the wall when it's done, so that you don't have to go fishing with it. You can pull it out with the hook or with your hand if you want to. Again, look at the pool, very nice, very clean. Regarding the leaves, I know that it's a little bit green and all of that, but we have a lot of rain. So I hope that you guys find it as useful, as good quality, and as convenient as I do.